Looking for quality roofers who actually do the job right the first time without leaving you hanging with leaks? So, here's the deal. When you're hunting for a roofer you can trust, first off, ask around your neighborhood or check online reviews for roofers who have solid reputations. Nothing beats word of mouth. Make sure to get at least 3 quotes so you can compare prices and what's included, but don't just go for the cheapest. It's worth paying more if it means good work. Always ask for proof of licensing and insurance because that protects you if something goes wrong. Before the job starts, get a detailed written contract that covers materials, timeline, and payment schedule. No surprises later. During the work, stay in touch with your roofer and don't hesitate to ask questions or request updates. Once the roof's done, ask for a warranty in writing so you're covered if leaks or issues pop up. Finally, inspect the work yourself or hire a home inspector to make sure everything's solid before you pay the final bill. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hiring roofers is not checking their credentials, like licenses and insurance, which can leave you on the hook if something goes wrong. Another common issue is rushing into a contract without getting multiple quotes or a detailed written agreement, so you end up paying more or getting less than promised. The third mistake is ignoring warranties or not getting them in writing, which means if leaks return, you might have no recourse. Fix these by always verifying credentials online or with local authorities, comparing quotes carefully while asking tons of questions, and insisting on a clear warranty document before work begins. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who have real reviews and verified credentials, making your search way easier. For contractors, it's a cool way to get more work by showing off their skills and building trust with new clients in their area.